Presenting Dell Inspiron 5430 laptop. This laptop is pre-loaded Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity, MS Office Home and Student 2021 with lifetime validity. Adding to it, this laptop also comes with McAfee multi-device security 15-month subscription. It is equipped with Intel 13th Gen i7, 1360 pixel, 16GB DDR5 RAM with 1TB SSD storage. Get great performance with Intel Iris X graphics graphic card. Experience sharp details and crisp colors on the 14.0-inch Full HD Plus WVA AG non-touch with Comfort View support 250 nits brightness. It comes with 4-cell 54 Wh integrated battery with 65 watts AC adapter. Experience the crystal clear audio with Dolby Atmos spatial audio. This laptop is equipped with Full HD resolution camera and clear audio with built-in dual microphones and AI that reduces background noise. Stay connected with HDMI 1.4, Inter Thunderbolt, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, SD card reader, universal audio jack.